What's up guys? On today's video I wanted to go ahead and do a quick video on this Xiaomi vacuum. Now this is not really overland related, but it is something that I've been using for the last year and I finally wanted to get around to a video on this item. Now what this is again, it's a mini vacuum from Xiaomi. It is only a $80 item and this is about a 10-inch item by 2.5 inches in diameter. So it's a pretty small footprint, and that's the reason why I wanted to go ahead and do a video on this one, because it's something that I actually keep with me while I overland and camp. And I always use this because one of the main things that I dislike is having to come back home from a long trip and clean the rooftop tent. I really don't want to open this up again. Most of the time I'm returning home late, so it's just something that I'm tired with and I don't want to clean afterwards. So to help me out, I actually bring this along in my vehicle. Again, it's very small, and I use this to vacuum the rooftop tent platform before I close this up, so I actually don't have to clean it onto my next trip or next trip. So here is, oops, let me dump that away. But I'm just going to go ahead and get some of these dirt out. I want to go ahead and show you guys how this cleans. So let's say you got a bunch of dirt, debris. Now this is not going to work if you guys don't care about your tent, but for me, I am very clean. I always take my shoes off. There's some individuals that don't take off their shoes while they're in their tent, but I always do that. So that's something that I constantly do on my end. Now let's go ahead and turn this on. It runs about 30 minutes, so it's plenty of time. Let's say if I want to take off this head. Okay, it's pretty clean now. What you're seeing there is just some scratches from the bottom of the tent, but everything else is good. You just put on this brush, give it a quick swing, and everything is pretty clean. So here's the chamber. Again, it holds a good amount, works about 30 minutes. I really like this item. Let me know if you guys have used this before, but it is also plugged in with a USB-C, and it only takes about maybe 20 or 30 minutes to charge. I've been able to take maybe about 2 or 3 trips or cleanings before I actually need to charge this again. And this weighs maybe roughly about a pound, so not very light, not very heavy at all. That is, let's see, 40 watts, 10.8 volts is the specs. So I'll drop a link below in case you guys are interested. It's the Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini. And again, to open this, you just click this out, dump all that stuff. Detachable. Everything is detachable. Even this tip is detachable.